So the snapping PVI method is a fairly manual process and will require us to refine our design by going through and individually looking at all the different areas we want to change. If we wanted the software to take out some of the hard work for us, we can also do this, and this introduces us to a tool called Auto Profile found in the VG ribbon. So go ahead and click on that now. In here we can use a number of different tools to have the software assist us with our vertical design. What we're going to do is use the Constraints button found at the bottom of the form and click on that. In here we can ask the software to match the design to a constraint over a station range of our choosing. So we are going to say between station 0 and station 500 match to the constraint lower, which is our -2%. Leave active on and click OK. Following that, click Apply and Exit. What you'll now see in the vertical grading editor is the software has matched all of the available cross-section points onto our design for the first 500 feet. Now we could say for the remainder of the design to match onto the constraint at -5%. So at this point we can go back to Auto Profile. Rather than edit the entry we've already got, we want to keep that. We're going to go back down to Constraints. We're going to say from 500 all the way down to the end of the design, which in this case, make sure you don't put 1,000 because the design does go just over 1,000 feet, so we're going to put 10,000. The constraint will be the upper this time, and we're going to click OK and then Apply and Exit. And you can see how the software has now managed the design by placing it on top of the -5%, making a transition between the 490 station and the 516 station. We are able to manually adjust these PVIs. So the software has done what we've asked it to do, but we can now go in and override any part of this design if we wish. Bearing in mind that when we go back to Auto Profile again, click on Apply and Exit, it will readjust the PVIs back to the settings that we have in here. If we wanted to have some refinement on this design, because you can see we've got a lot of extra PVIs and we don't necessarily need them. If we wanted the software to weed some of them out, we can do that by adding in what's known as fitting. Down the bottom of the form we have fit parameters, so go ahead and select that. In here we can provide a start station and an end station, so what I'm saying is all the way through the design. We apply a cut factor, so in this case we're going to be putting in a value of 0.1 and a fill factor of 0.1, and then we put a minimum vertical curve length. So the software is going to try and do its best to apply these parameters over the top of the constraint design we've got. So we're going to put 20 in there and simply make sure that it's used with other VC methods, so it's going to be applying these settings to anything that sits above it in the list. Click and Apply and Exit. Based on those parameters, the software will go ahead and try and best fit over the top of your design, and at the same time providing us with vertical curves and grades.